Here we go. Last one for the night, folks. CGC Signature Series Walking Dead Deluxe number 19. Signed by none other than Mr. Robert Kirkman himself. Learfield variant cover, as you can tell. White pages. Beautiful condition. Reprints Walking Dead number 19 in color. This is just beautiful. Let's take a look at the back. Lay this down gently. There we go. Move these out the way. Nice, nice, great condition. Slab is in pristine condition. Just fantastic. Another addition to the PC. All right, folks, be good out there. Bright moments. So this is Tor, written and drawn by the great master himself, Joe Kubert, right there. So it's May, June 1975. As you can see, there's a couple of tiny pulls on the staples, but not too deep. The bottom staple is perfect. It's in very fine plus condition. The corners are sharp, except the right bottom corner. But that's it to be expected with this age and time. There are no creases, no paper scrunches anywhere. The pages are solidly off-white to white. Again, expected to be the case for, what is this, a 50-year-old book? Beautiful pencil work and inks by Joe Kubert. Written by him, if I recall correctly. Yep. All the old school ads. It's really good. Beautiful, beautiful. Colors are still there. Supple, bright reds. It's an off rose color there. And then the staples are attached perfectly, not rusting at all. Just needs a little tiny, little TLC, just a little touch up here and there with cleanup, and then a very good pressing, maybe one or two, but probably one would do the job. Beautiful, beautiful book. I always wanted this in a high grade. And there it is. Hold on, let me flip it gently to the other side. And here we go for the back cover close-up. There is that fraying of the bottom of the back cover and a little blunting on the corner, but again, to be expected with its age and wear. But it's been maintained so beautifully for 50 plus years. Wow. Gotta be careful with the nails. Oops, yeah. Gently we go. I got a solid, clean backing board there, cardboard. All right, thank you for your time. Bright moments.